औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to create our own mobile application, Android application using code.org. It's a great platform for students to learn programming skill, for creating their own apps and then share with their friend and family members. So let's take a start how to create your first app and learn its basic component. So let's take start. First of all, open a browser, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and then in the URL you need to just type over here code.org. It will take you directly to their platform, their website. Okay, now here it's written here, learn computer science and change the world. Okay, help students become superheroes. Our professional learner program helps you teach computer science skills. Every student in every school should have the opportunity to learn computer science. With the help of this website, you are able to learn different computer science skills, coding skills, programming skill, and you can create different apps over here and share with the world as well. Okay, over 201 million code.org projects created and shared with the world as well. Okay, sir, so let's take a start. Click on sign in. I've already signed in with my account and that's why my name is over here. Okay, here I have created a different section, classes, and then I define different courses. In next tutorial I will tell you that how to create different section and assign different courses to different classes, and how to handle the classroom as well. So today we are going to just focus on intro to AppLab, how to use AppLab to create mobile application. I have already created few application over here, but we will just take start from the scratch. Okay, when you click on this lesson, it will take you directly over here, AppLab intro lesson 1. So here is lesson 2. When we will cover all these levels, then you are able to create your even own mobile application. So here is the AppLab interface. Okay, take start from this screen. This is your output screen. This is your mobile phone. When you click on run, hit run button, and you will see the output over here. And here is what it's your code section over here. Just you need to drag and drop different blocks over here and place it over here. Okay, for the programming, and here is your workspace, which is your actually coding area. Okay, and these are the instructions, important instruction. Our goal, make the screen green. This is our first objective. And how, drag in a set property block, use the drop down to set the screen background color to green, then hit run. Here is our outcome, here is our objective. Okay, whenever you stuck, you just need to click over here, and it will show you exactly how you can drag and drop this and change the background color. But I recommend you, okay, first of all you need to try it by yourself, and after that you can use this as well. Okay, it's up to you, but first you need to give a try as well. I'm going to drag and drop everything from here in this toolbox, and now my workspace is empty. Now I'm going to follow these instructions over here. Okay, when you log in with your official account, for example your Microsoft account or your Google account, it can save your progress as well over here, saved automatically. So first goal is make the screen green. How, drag the set property block, this set property block. When I will drag this property, it will change the look of your screen elements. Set property to a new value for the specified element. So drag and drop it over here. So my new objective is set screen background color to green. So here is screen 1. Just click here, screen 1. So background color is there, but it's written over here, run, background color is red. So our objective was to change this to green. So just you can click here, you can select in drop down menu green, and then click on reset button, run. Yes, objective clear successfully. Okay, now we can jump to the next level. When you finish with it, then click on finish. It will take you to the, and then click on continue. Then it will take you to level number 3. Okay ji, now our next objective is on level 3. Goal is make the text bigger and blue. How we can make our text bigger or blue? You will need to you need 2 lines of code. Give label 1 font size of 80 and text color of blue. Whenever you stuck here, just click on it for the clue. Okay, so let's quickly take start. I'm going to remove these from the workspace, these 2 instructions. Okay, now we are just playing with the set property. Okay, first I need to place this and check what will appear on our screen. Okay, you make me bigger and blue, but it is red, it's not bigger. So let's first of all change its color. Okay, label 1. Okay, how we'll find that it's label 1? Bring your mouse pointer, hover over it on this text. It will tell you the ID of this text, this one. It is label 1, ID is label 1. So label 1 selected. Now there are different properties over here, you can select from here, but right now we need only this one, text color. So just click on text color and change, instead of this red we have to select what? Blue. Here is our outcome. So click on blue. Now check this. Now text is blue. Now next is I need to put another property over here. Okay, set property. Now label 1. Here is label 1. Yes, it's label 1. Now I want to change its size. So size, font size. So click on it. Let's find font size. Background color. Here's font family. Here's the font size. Click on it and now change the font size. It's 14. Now let me make this 80. So double click here and type 80 from your keyboard and press enter. Now run this code. Done. Okay ji, now click on finish. That's how you can change your text color and you can change its font size. AppLab level 4. Okay, here is our outcome. Okay, now goal is make the goal red and blue. Make the buttons red and blue, then change the text in the large orange label. Okay, how? Remember, you can hover over elements to see the ID. Yes, here is label 1 and here is button 1 and here is, you can see it's a button 2. Okay, then set the background color of the button to red and blue. This one is already red and this one is blue. Okay, background color of buttons red and blue. Set the next property. Okay, let me remove this all. Okay, now place one property in the workspace. So check that what's written over here. Right now code is written over here, text is write code to change my text. Okay, so first of all I need to do what? I need to change the background of buttons to red and blue. First of all, let me check its ID. ID is button 1. So I will select button 1. So I don't want to change its text, I just want to change its background. So click here. So click on background color and now background color is red selected. Done. Okay, make me red, now make me blue, this one. So we want to make this blue. So it's button 2. Add one more property over here and change its property is, it's what, button 2. You can see over here it's button 2, ID is button 2. Now change its background color to red, not red. Run this, both are red. We want to make this one. Oh, here is our outcome, blue. So let me change this to color blue. Enter and now run. Done. Okay, now next is set the text property of the label to anything you want, like welcome to my app. For example, what is that? what is the ID of this label? This one is label 1. Yes, it's a label 1. Okay, then text is what? Text. So we need to write over here. For example, I want to write here let's create mobile application using AppLab. Okay, now let me run this. Look here, I have successfully changed the text of this label 1. I have made this button red and make this button blue. Okay, let's move towards the next one. Click on finish. Now here you will make your app interactive. For example, when you click on it, it will take you to the next level. Okay, so let's skip this video, move towards the next level 6. What we are going to learn over here in level 6, okay, our goal is what? The screen will start out blue. Let me try this. Yes, it's a blue. Add code, so it turns green when you click the green if you button. Okay, whenever you click on this button, it will turn this background color, screen color, green. Okay, now how add inside? How add code inside the on event that sets the screen background color to green. So let's do this. Let me remove this. Let me check what's going on here. Okay, now set screen 1. First find this ID, screen 1. Yes, screen 1, but we want to change its color to green. If it turns green when you click on it. Okay, now using on event block, you can do what? When you click on this button, big button, it will turn this background to what? Blue or green. So let's try. On event ID, what is ID? ID is what? The ID of this button is big button. So big button, whenever big button click, do what? Now we need to add some code over here. Use set property. So set the screen 1 background color to do what? It's red. No, we want to change it to green. So select drop down, click on it and select green. Now run. Now when I will click on it, it will turn the screen green. Done. Just like that. That's how you can use on event block using AppLab.